Software Distribution is a solution that allows IT managers to centrally deploy applications to users. It helps IT teams improve the efficiency of application deployment and ensure the security of software installation. The app library disk will be automatic mounted to virtual machine when users start up the virtual machine so that the user can get the unified apps from IT team. This is an example of software distribution. The user installed Firefox and WPS by himself, then the IT team distributed everything in Chrome to this user. We can see this virtual machine merged all apps from user local and IT team. Let's do a testing to see how the feature works. Here is a user's virtual machine without a PDF reader installed. We will deploy Foxit PDF Reader to this user. First, we access the software distribution module in the virtual desktop controller and create an app container. We must enter a name for the app container, select the cluster and data store, and configure the storage space. We also need to select the virtual machine template, operating system, and network. Then we access the shadow virtual machine based on the template, and we will record the installation process of the software. We have downloaded the software installation file in the shadow virtual machine. Open the Create Application Container tool and click Build to start recording. We are now recording the entire installation progress of Foxit PDF Reader. After the recording, click the Build Process Completed button to finish, and the virtual machine will automatically shut down. Now, we can complete the configuration of the app container. The next step is to associate this app with the user. To do this, go to Associated Virtual Machines, click Add Association, and select the user. If we want the policy to take effect, restart the user's virtual machine after the app has been associated with the user. After logging in to the virtual desktop again, we should see that Foxit PDF Reader has been successfully installed. Yep, there it is. Sangfor Software Distribution. Empower IT managers to centralize application deployment. For more information on how Sangfor Software Distribution can help you, visit us at www.sangfor.com and let Sangfor make your digital transformation simpler and secure.